Hello business owners, how are you? In today's video, we are going to discuss on content marketing. How even a small business owner can use content marketing to generate sales, to get more leads. Each and every type of marketing in today's world is a type of categorized under content marketing itself, because everything whatever you are promoting is a piece of content, right? So in this video we will discuss everything about content marketing, and at last how you can develop content marketing in your business step by step. So stay tuned and let's start. First, understand what is a content in content marketing. See, content is just a valuable or a problem solving information, piece of information which is being circulated or which is being promoted to a particular group of audience or your target audience, or you can say your bias persona. To them we are promoting a piece of content, and it may be of any kind, like it may be of text, video, audio, or PDF, or anything. Okay, so anything which has some value or which is solving a problem of your target audience, it is called as content. And in marketing we are just promoting that content, that relevant content. We are first thing is we are creating that content, then we are promoting it. We are promoting that content to our target audience, and we create, we promote, and we distribute the content which is relevant, consistent, and also valuable to our target audience. This is a simple thing about content marketing. Everything, even your visiting card to hoarding, billboards, online advertisements, social media, website, everything is a piece of content. Now you have a website. Okay, what is the use of website? That means you have a content. The content is the main thing in your website, right? Then it is also a type of content, and if you are promoting your website, then that is considered as a content marketing. Now let us see how you can do step by step content marketing in your business. So the first step is find or define your goal or KPI. These both are somewhat same itself. So first thing is you have to define your goal. What is your main objective of doing this type of marketing? It may be to get sales, or to get followers, or to get subscribers, or to generate leads, or just to get awareness about your brand. It may be anything. There are many goals and KPIs which you can set for your content marketing. See, not only for content marketing, before doing any type of marketing, you have to be clear with what is your goal, what you want to achieve from your marketing strategy or marketing campaign. So this is first step. The second step is defining your target audience or buyer's persona. It is very much important before doing any marketing. It is very much important to be clear with who is your target audience, or who is your, who can be your potential customer. Now what is a buyer's persona or target audience? Now a group of people whom you think can buy your product. The group of people you can define by their characteristics, features, their demographics, their behaviors. So these forms a buyer's persona. Now this buyer's persona will give you an idea who is my target audience and whom should I share my content with. So defining goal, then defining your target audience, who can be your customers, and third is selecting a perfect platform for your content. Now after deciding what is your goal and who are your target audience, you have to decide where these target audience are spending their most of the time, or else where can I find these target audience. It can be any of the platforms over internet, or it can also be some offline stores or offline areas you think your customers may be. On online, if you see, you have many options. Your customer may be on Instagram or Facebook. Your customer may be on Netflix or Hotstar. So there are many options on digital medias as well, and there are many options on traditional media. Let me give an example, like if your customers like to have a coffee, then cafe or any place where the shopkeeper is selling a coffee, then that place can be your promoting place where you can promote your content. Why? Because for you, your person is drinking coffee, your customer likes coffee, so that any cafe can be your promoting spot or the platform where you can promote your content. Now after deciding a good platform, you have to not publish your content everywhere. You have to define where my customers are, and at that place only you have to invest your energy, money and time to build content and to promote it. Now the fourth is creating content with consistency and relevancy. The content which you are creating, it should be relevant to your target audience. Okay, this is one thing. And second thing is it should be consistent. Now if you have shown a piece of content to your audience, and after few weeks or few months you have not published any content in front of them, then they will forget you. You have to be consistently uploading. You have to show your content, you have to show your brand, you have to keep your brand in front of them consistently, so that they will remember you. So this was the fourth step. The fifth step is try to reach large audience. Try those ways and tactics, or think out of the box, how I can reach large audience and build and push them towards the sales funnel. See, the main objective or the goal of you can say this content marketing or any type of marketing is to push the customer or the audience below the sales funnel. Now if you don't know what is sales funnel, then I already made a video on it in which I have discussed in detail about sales funnel and how you can build one funnel for your business as well. You can click on the I button, or in the under description you can find the link for that video. So after watching that, you watch that also, it will be helpful for you. So the main objective of any marketing is to push the customer in the sales funnel. So after doing these 4 steps, you have to focus on pushing them to sales funnel and to make your audience larger. Now if your goal or KPI is to increase followers over Instagram, then you have to try to make more funnels and to push them under the funnel and to build your follower base. So these were the 5 simple steps you have to follow to build your content. If you need, if you want me to explain how practically or by taking an example of any particular industry, how a particular industry can do content marketing, then comment below. If one person will comment, I will definitely make a video on it. And lastly, content marketing is all about sharing valuable content and building a trust relationship with your customers. So this was all about content marketing. In this video I have not added benefits of content marketing. If you want to know what are the benefits, there are n number of benefits of content marketing. You can check it out under description box. So this was all about content marketing. Thanks for watching and have a good day.